gentlemen, drummers all around the world, welcome here to Drum Channel. Wow, you know, we didn't know this was going to be happening. My pal Mark and my pal Justin and I, we knew we were going to be playing and doing a live show, but who would have thunk my great friend of many years, the virtuoso, the amazing band guy that everybody wants in their band, Carl Palazzo, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here, Carl. And you know, it wouldn't be a Drum Channel show if it weren't for our great friend, Mr. Drum Channel himself. Please join us, will you?
I'm just here to hang out.
You're here to hang out.
And have fun with you guys.
Don Lombardi.
Yes.
Don Lombardi.
No, thank you for inviting me in here. I'm going to kind of MC a little bit of what we were doing a little bit earlier today, which was some great secrets of the pros, adding to the ones that you already have on the site, but in a very musical setting. And again, this is the way things happen on Drum Channel. Carl happened to be here a little bit earlier today, and I thought there's a 1 in a million chance, because he's such a busy guy. I said, well, Gregg's going to be here, you know, around 1:30. I said, oh, I'll hang out to see him. Then it got to be 3, and I was like, well, we're doing a live show at 6. Is there any? And he's like so gracious. It was like, absolutely, have to be there and do it for sure.
And he's teaching us so much. You know, it's all about learning at Drum Channel. And Carl, being the all-around musician he is, he said, well, let's just do a cumbia. And in my El Gringo way, I said, Carl, you play drum set, come here. And so he came over and he said, okay. He gave me a lesson, a Drum Channel lesson. And he went, okay, the right hand, left foot, bass drum, 1. Okay, now with your left hand, when I cue you, we'll just jam and we'll raise eyebrows. Go to the left hand playing those upbeats on the bell of the cymbal while your bell goes. So I wrote it all down here on my drum head. Thank you for the lesson, Carl.
You got it. Please use it. It's not mine to keep.
Well, play it now. Come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Carl Palazzo, man.